everybody, it's LK Lifestyles here, and I have decided to make for you one of my favorite paleo staples. I'm going to be making everything bagels. If you're like me and you're paleo, you have really missed eating any kind of bread, and this is not a nut-free bread, but it is delicious, and I will show you how to make it using my homemade flour mix and several other ingredients, but they're all very easy to find and quite affordable. So let's get started. We're going to need 3 dry ingredients and 5 wet ingredients, and we're going to be mixing them together and letting the batter thicken for about 2 minutes before we pour it into our mini bagel pans, which I am going to spray with avocado oil just to make it a little easier to get them out of the pan later, although these are brand new pans, so they probably won't stick, but I do use a little of the avocado oil. I'm going to need 2 cups of my paleo flour blend. You can find the recipe for this mix on my YouTube channel. And then we're going to need about 2 teaspoons of everything bagel seasoning. I get this at Costco. It's very affordable. And as far as baking soda goes, you're going to need 1 teaspoon of baking soda, which will help it rise. Your wet ingredients are 3 beaten eggs, 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, 1/4 cup of vinegar. I use organic apple cider vinegar, and 1/2 cup of water. We're going to mix it together and let the batter get a little bit thicker, more like a thin pancake batter. And then we're going to pour it into the bagel tins. So this is what the mix looks like when it is all mixed together with the 3 dry ingredients and 5 wet ingredients. And as you can see, it's a little bit like a pancake batter in consistency. And I'm going to pour them into as many of these as they'll fit into. I want to go about 3/4 of the way full in these mini donut / bagel tins, and we will see how many we get. I have poured all of the bagel batter mix into the pans, and it turned out I had extra batter, and I'm not one to waste, so I'm making 3 little cupcake size muffins / rolls in the other pan. I did put some everything bagel seasoning on top of these so that when it bakes, it'll look and taste exactly like an everything bagel. And we'll see how these 3 come out too. Should be an interesting experiment. I'm going to bake at 350 for 25 minutes and check them with a toothpick. And this, my friends, is what we got. We got 12 mini everything bagels and 3 muffins that look pretty amazing too. And I'm sure they're just going to pop right out of the pan. We can see if we can actually just pop one out. Oh, that looks pretty good for a bagel. Anybody else miss bagels? So I'm very happy with my 12 mini bagels. They came out rather perfectly. The true cooking time was 30 minutes, not 25. I did get 3 little mini muffins back there. One of them actually did break a little bit, but I will eat it anyway. And the greatest thing about these bagels is that they are very multi-purpose. You can slice them, toast them, use them as a sandwich. If you're dairy tolerant, you can put cream cheese on them, almond butter, sunflower seed butter, whatever kind of butters you can use. Probably not peanut butter if you're watching this video. But if you like this video, I do highly recommend that you check out my other videos on LK Lifestyles. And thanks a lot for watching. Please like and comment below. And have a great day. Enjoy your bagels.